Okay, good morning. Welcome to
SuperMath number 58.
SuperMath58. So we had a tough question from an old NC10 this morning about the area of an octagon, and we're just going to talk through it. It said you had a regular octagon. We did our best to try to draw it with a ruler and a protractor. Regular octagon, and you wanted to find the area of triangle A, D, G, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. And we might not go through all the calculations here. Sorry if these lines aren't totally straight. But there's the triangle we're trying to find the area of. But how do you approach a problem like this?
So we turn this into a square. And then
Okay. That's very interesting.
and this is a root 2, 2.
Alright, well how do you think to turn an octagon into a square?
Well, to make an octagon, you have a square and then you just truncate it.
Okay.
So that's how you would get an octagon. And it has side length. The octagon is side length 2, and the square is going to have side length 2 plus 2 times the square root of 2.
Alright.
Because we have these little root 2 triangles.
Okay, interesting.
So we need the triangle. We need this triangle ADG. So we can start with the area of the square, which is 2 plus 2 times the square root of 2 squared. Then we have to subtract this rectangle here up on top.
Okay.
And the area of that is that's 2 plus 2 root 2 times, it's going to be root 2.
Alright. So let's not go through all the calculations. What else are you going to subtract away here?
The area of this triangle here.
Okay.
And this one.
Alright. And we can already see just from the start that that's going to be
A lot of work.
a lot of multiplying and calculating. Is there any other way to find the area of this triangle?
Well, we can approximate it because the square root of 2 is about 1.4.
Okay.
So we could just say this is about, well, 2 plus.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
but that's doing all the same calculations. So we're trying to find a way without doing all those without doing all of these. You will get to the answer that you want there. You find the area of the square, subtract out the area of this rectangle up here, subtract out the area of this triangle, subtract out the area of this triangle. You got it. Whether you do it by approximating or by doing it exactly, that's fine. You'll get to the same place. But is there a different way that's not going to have as many calculations? That's the question.
Well, we could do 1/2 base times height
Okay.
because we can figure out what this GD is because we have this 2 plus root 2, 2 plus root 2. And we can just square that to find what this is.
Okay. What would you do once you knew this side?
And then if we could find out what this is. Well, maybe, I think AUD might be simpler.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
Because this is 2 plus 2 root 2.
Alright, that's the length of the side of the square. Goes all the way across the square.
And then this height here is 2 plus root 2
Okay.
from this.
Alright.
So we just have to do, I'll just write it here. There's 2 plus 2 root 2 times 2 plus root 2 over 2.
Okay. That in one calculation is going to give us the area of the triangle. This way of drawing the bigger square and then cutting out the other pieces is fine too. Just with a lot of calculations. 1/2 base times height. If you find the right base and the right height, it's not too bad. Okay. Good job, sweetie pie. Good job.